Welcome to another edition of the show. The Tribal Chief faces tribulation. Roman Reigns hit with child abuse lawsuit. This is serious. What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's wrestling news is unlike anything we've seen before. The undisputed WWE Universal Champion, the Tribal Chief himself, Roman Reigns, is embroiled in a very serious legal battle. Just yesterday, a lawsuit was filed against Reigns alleging child abuse. Please, before we continue, do not forget to like and subscribe now. This is obviously a huge story, and there's a lot to unpack. So, settle in, grab your strongest cup of coffee or tea. No judgment here, because we're diving deep into the details of this unfolding situation. The lawsuit. What we know so far, the details surrounding the lawsuit are scarce at the moment. The official court documents haven't been made public yet, and WWE itself has remained tight-lipped on the issue. However, from what we've been able to gather from reputable sources, here's what we know. The lawsuit was filed by a person whose identity is being kept confidential, most likely to protect the alleged victim, who we can only assume is one of Reigns' children. The lawsuit details specific instances of alleged abuse, but the exact nature of those instances hasn't been revealed. There's no word yet on how Roman Reigns plans to respond to the lawsuit. Potential fallout. From the ring to the courtroom, this lawsuit has the potential to be a career-defining moment for Roman Reigns. Here are some of the potential consequences. Legal repercussion. Obviously, the most significant consequence would be if the allegations are proven true in court. Depending on the severity of the abuse, Reigns could face serious criminal charges and potential jail time. Public backlash. Even if the allegations are ultimately dropped, the mere existence of the lawsuit is a major PR nightmare for Reigns. His carefully cultivated image as the head of the table, a strong family man, could be shattered. WWE response. The WWE has a zero-tolerance policy for anything that tarnishes the company's image. We've seen them fire wrestlers for much less. It's hard to say what action they might take, but it wouldn't be surprising to see Reigns stripped of his titles and put on indefinite hiatus while the case unfolds. Speculation in the court of public opinion. It's important to remember that these are just allegations at this point. Roman Reigns is innocent until proven guilty. However, the court of public opinion can be just as unforgiving as a courtroom. Here's where things get messy. We, as wrestling fans, love Roman Reigns or we hate him. There's very little middle ground. This passionate divide could lead to a lot of online toxicity and speculation. On one hand, some fans will blindly defend Reigns, dismissing the allegations as a publicity stunt or a ploy to bring him down. On the other hand, some might jump to conclusions, condemning Reigns without waiting for any evidence. The important thing here is to be responsible. We should avoid spreading rumors or making assumptions. Let's wait for the facts to come out before forming an opinion. What this means for the wrestling world. This lawsuit casts a dark shadow over the entire wrestling industry. Professional wrestling has a troubled past when it comes to handling allegations of abuse. This situation demands that the WWE take a strong stance against child abuse and ensure the safety of its